All right, YouTube, what's happening? Smart money gang members, man. Hey, look, you already know today, since it's Thanksgiving and Black Friday coming up, I want you guys to be able to invest, right? I want you to be able to invest into yourself, though, okay? So what I want and what I'm finna do is crazy, right? Uh, I have a signal group, right? It's 39.99, all right, which is cheap, very, very cheap, right? I can guarantee you can make that 39.99 back in the first day or the first day trading with it, like the first trade probably. I can guarantee that you'll make that 39.99 back, right? Look, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to invest your money in, guys. But what I can do is show you guys how you can be able to make money in the markets every single day. Um, you know, with simple things, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys a simple technique that can make you money in the market starting uh yeah, tomorrow, Sunday, right? As soon as the market's open, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all the way to Friday. And you can use the same technique on crypto and make money on crypto. Okay. So, I'm about to give you all this amazing stuff for free, right? But what I'm gonna need you to go ahead and do is to get the signal group is to go over to SMSFX Store. So listen, you're gonna go over to the dot store, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to share the screen, okay? So I'm gonna pretty much get y'all a pre-market and all that. But before I do that, right, I'm gonna need y'all to go to Google, right? And what I'm gonna need you to do is type in this, right? So we're gonna do it together. SMSFX Mentor, right? Dot store. All right. And the only reason I'm doing this real fast because I don't want y'all to try to get nobody try to scam you guys and be like, oh, this the store or whatever, right? I want you to go over to the dot store. I want you to go over, click onto the dot, go to the dot store. I guess I could have just put it up here. But it's cool. It'll take me to it. But just go to the store. Let me see. You can literally go to, let me see, SMSFXMentor.store, right? And then it should pop up straight to here. It should take you straight to this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to the store. Okay, so boom. You're gonna come over to the store, right? Now you can purchase anything off of here, right? So I know my class is $39.99, right? So but you can purchase like this little t-shirt for $26.99, $24.99, whatever you want to. You can purchase the cheapest thing on here, right? $14.99, face mask, a sticker, SMSFX, right? You can buy the cheapest thing, right? You can even get this sweatshirt and still get a run for your money. You still get a sweatshirt out of it, right? Right, hoodies, whatever, right? Go over here, get anything off of my site, right? I'm going to let you run up a bag with me all December. So you can get some Christmas money. You're gonna be able to make some Christmas money. You can be able to afford the next month with the course. You're gonna be able to, you feel me? Like you're gonna be able to turn up, right? Because we're gonna turn up all the way up into Christmas, right? So that's my way of giving back. That's my way of giving back. You're gonna be able to get in my class. And guess what? So this is not, so look, I know you're like, what? That's still not really free, right? Look, I'm going to show you guys, right? So you can come over here, right? You can get, let me see, we can go to the cheapest thing. You can come right here and get this, right? Right? So you can get a sticker, right? But look, guys, so basically, look, you get afterpay, guys. So you got four easy payments of $2 and you can have a sticker. You're going to get the sticker right away. Not only are you going to get the sticker right away though, but for $2, you're going to be in my signal group basically for $2, right? So now you're going to be in the signal group, you're going to be running up a bag and you're going to decide, hey, you know what? Do I want to stay with the signal group or not? Or do I want to leave, right? You're going to get to be able to try me out for 1 month, all right? If you try me out for 1 month and you tell me you ain't make no money, then I would, matter of fact, hey, look, I'm gonna refund the sticker back. You can, you know what I'm saying? And you can keep the sticker. I'm gonna give you your $7.99 back or your $2, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you your money back because if you tell me you couldn't make no money off of the signal group, then I'm just done. You feel me? I won't even do signals no more. But you know, that's your choice, man. Come over here. You can do afterpay on anything that's on this site, man. And you could be inside the course, right? So now, boom, now you're inside the course, right? So you're gonna be running up a bag with us. And then, like I said, y'all know how I am, man. If you last this long and you know you went through the whole thing with me, the phase with me, then y'all feel me? Y'all know what y'all came here for, right? We about to do pre-markups on NZD, CHF, right? Now, I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, you know, I trade this pair, but I am about to give you guys a great technique that you can use to follow, you know, to tweak it however you want to tweak it, do whatever you want to do with it. But I'm going to teach you, you know, this, you know, because I feel like it's important and you should know this. So what I'm teaching is support and resistance. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to make money off support and resistance, and then I'm gonna teach you trend. Okay, and so overall trend, and I'm gonna show you trend and what the trend is for, because a lot of us are still confused at what a trend line is and what support and resistance is. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you on each time frame so that you can understand. You feel me? You know, support and resistance. Okay, and I'm gonna explain why and why it's important. Okay, so right here, I know if you watched all my other videos, I'm pretty sure I got, okay, yeah, this never changes. I always have support. I mean, I always have major levels and key levels. All right, right now most of my charts have upgrades already. I just really don't trade this pair, so it don't have too many upgrades on it. But okay, mostly they all say like monthly, and then like this one, settings, and then weekly. All right, so they're mostly all like this: monthly, weekly, monthly, weekly. And that's just so when I'm scaling down, I'm in, you know, I'm on smaller time frames, I know where I'm at. So you can label yours. You know, I'm not gonna laugh at you. So and I don't think nobody else should be either. You feel me? Because you the one putting your money in the markets, and it's up to you to win or lose your money. You feel me? So me personally, I want to know when I'm at the weekly or when I'm at the monthly, if I'm not looking at colors or whatever the case may be. So that's why I actually do mines like that. And plus mines are color coordinated. So I know my weekly is purple and my monthly is like this gold color. Okay. So, okay, simple, right? So now, okay, those are actually my supports and resistance as well. So I'm prices in the middle of my support and my resistance, or my monthly and my weekly. All right. So now, guys, what I want to show you is, okay, so you know, and I'm gonna show you, and I'm giving you really a freebie, because a lot of people really don't teach stuff like this for free. They hate when people teach stuff like this for free, right? So basically, how I would do it. If I was trading on the daily, and like I said, guys, think, right? Use your brain after I give you this sauce and sauce it up, man. So I'm not going to baby you and give you all the free steps, right? When you know this is value, right? This add value. So you're going to have to pay me for my value that I'll bring. But I'm just going to give you this free sauce because it's love, right? It's all love. You should know this before you sticking your money in the markets, okay? So, if I'm like, we already probably know about historical data, right? Pretty much, right? We know about historical data. So, you know about historical data, and you know about support and resistance. Most of you guys, right? You clicked on this video like, okay, support and resistance. That's dope. Let me see what's up, right? So most of you guys clicked on that and seen that. Okay. So what I would do is, if I'm trading off a daily time frame, right, I would want to find support and resistance, right? Where would I look for support and resistance? A lot of people like to look at the close of a candle, you know, the close of it, the open of it, or right here, the close of it, the open of it. Right, you know, most people like to look at that, and that's where they like to, you know, put you know, their supports or resistance, right? Me personally, I like to put my support and resistance, especially in higher time frames, on the wicks, right? So where they finally caught that exhaustion or something like that, because I'm only gonna give it so many times to catch that exhaustion. Okay, so I like to get it at the highest point or in the lowest points. All right, and that's where I will put my my wicks, right? Because that would make me think like, okay. And then, like I said, I would use historical data off each time frame. So I'm in the daily, I'm gonna use the candle to the left, you know what I'm saying, to my left, right? of it, right? You know, of the current candle. Okay, so I'm always look to the left of the current candle, right? I'm not gonna look to the right because the right candle haven't happened, obviously. So I always have to look at the historical data to the left. Okay, so that's simple, right? So now support and resistance, right? No, now this is not a supply and demand. It's just support and resistance, and where I would do it and how I will put mine. Okay, so now I will put, you know, I will put at the top of this wick, right? So let's just say this candle didn't happen yet, right? And we was on this candle and the close of this candle, right? So it came 4:30 Eastern time, and it was the close of this candle, right? And so now I will mark up my highest point. So I will mark up, you know, the top of this wick, right? And this would be I like to keep mine red, so I probably don't. Oh yeah, I do. So now, okay, boom. So now I will mark off this highest point right here, right at that. Okay. So I want to be able to see it. Okay, boom. So now I will mark out this highest point right here. You feel me? And that will be my resistance. Okay, right. So we ain't on this candle yet, right? And this will be my resistance here. Okay. And then so then that means my lowest point would be right here, right? So now I'll mark off my lowest point, right? So now I'll mark off my lowest point, and this would be, you know what I'm saying? This would be my support, right? So this would be my support. So I keep my supports red. I mean, I keep my daily, anything I do in the daily time frame red. So I just match the colors up for me. You know, you can do it however you want to do it. Name it however you want to name it, but you feel me? I got a daily hot zone. So if I wanted to scale down to any time frame, I know, okay, this is my daily hot zone. Okay, this is the highest point and the lowest point of the day. Okay, so and you know that's how I would play it, right? So this would be this would be my area or my zone that I would be looking to trade in, right? So that's my highest point, my lowest point, right? And then I will be trying to find some sort of trend. So now you notice on the daily, you know, it's bigger candles. So it's like for the whole, it's representation of the whole day. So it's just like one big candle, right? You notice that, right? Okay. So you notice that, okay? Boom. So, and then I will try to find some sort of trend, right? So on my daily candles, I will be figuring out, okay, what trend do I have? What trend can I see? Okay, and then I will mark that up, right? So if I was on my daily, I'll start from the bottom of that daily, and then I would try to get some connections. 1, 2, right? 3, 4, okay. I got some connections right here. 1 or 2. All I need is 1 or 2 connections, right? And I can make that go up to there, right? Right. So now I would know, okay, boom. Personally, I'm in an upward trend, right? So now I know that I'm in an upward trend. I'm slowly looking for buys, right? Um, and that's what I would be looking for, right? I'll be looking for touches or waiting for touches to hit that certain point. So now let me see. I don't know if I have. So I can create one right here, and then I'm gonna show you guys how you can create one as well. You go right here, you click that, turn it red or whatever, red. Then, but you go to settings, then you go to text, and turn that red. Okay, and then the text you say daily, right? Daily trend. Simple, man. You don't keep it simple, bro. So you got daily trend, right? So now, you know, I'll be solely, you know, basing, you know, my trades off of this, okay, you know, above this side, I'm looking for buys. Below this side, maybe sales, right? Because if it breaks this trend, I'm looking for sales. If it bounces off this trend, I'm looking for buys, right? So that'll keep the uptrend, right? So we see that going that like that, right? We see another line going down this way, right? We see some more connections. So, you know, we can also always look at that and be like, okay, you know, we in an overall downtrend, right? But we see right now, as of right now, price is going in a upwards trend, right? But we know, okay, boom, at some point, you know, if price don't get back up to this daily high, okay, we can exit out thinking price going up, right? So, just start using your mindset right there. But, daily zone, that'll keep you inside your zone. And then you got, you got your resistance, your daily support. So daily resistance, the daily trend, and your daily support. Simple, right? Now, when price finally crossed and broke your daily trend, you seen price go down. Once price went down, it broke your daily support, right? And it continued to go to the downside. Now I have to go into the downside. I have to get into a certain point, right? To certain areas, right? Price rejected and pushed back up, okay? But you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it ain't over, right? That's just how price closed, guys. So that's what I would do on the daily, okay? So and that's me just trading the daily, right? So boom. So that's how you would use this technique, okay? And so, okay, erase this, erase this, erase this. Now, same thing, vice versa. You would do that for this part right here, and you would wait for the day to start. Okay, so then now, okay, we go to the 4 hour, and then that's how I would do the same thing on my 4 hour. Okay, so now for my 4 hour, I will go to my highest point, get to this area, right? I will go to my highest points, and I will draw me a box. Okay, so now draw me a box. Now on my 4 hour, I make my 4 hour green. Okay, and I'm gonna get my lowest points. All right, and I'm gonna make that my zone, my 4 hour zone. If I'm trading off the 4 hour, right? So now, okay, boom. So now, boom, trading off the 4 hour only. So here go my zones, boom. 4 hour zone, all right, boom, right? So now they let me know my highest point of resistance, my lowest point of support, okay? Simple, guys. Because now, I want to see, okay, what strategy is going on. So, what trend? So now I want to see, boom, I'm putting my trend one touch, okay? Okay, wait, we're gonna start from that, all right? One touch, all right? Two touch, okay? And then we're gonna draw it up to here to our resistance point, okay? So then now what I'll do is I'll do the same thing. This is the same technique, guys. And then I would do 4 hour trend, okay? So now, we get a bounce off here. I'm gonna take price up, to buy. And then if we come down here and break this trend, then I'm gonna look to sell back down to this zone because we could be consolidating. So I just want to make some little money, okay? That's what I would do on the 4 hour, okay? So this is the setup. This is the technique of buy here, sell here, right? So next thing I would do, okay, boom. Now that's when I was on that hour. Let's say I do the 1 hour, okay? So we do the same thing here. We go to the highest point here. To the highest point, 1 hour. Of what price is now. So we don't gotta be doing all what price is at 1,000 times or whatever else. We're just looking at what price is. So now I don't think I have one here for this. So okay, so we'll do this, turn it black. Oh, not. All right, so we'll turn it like that color. Then we go to text, then we'll type in, right? And then I will do 1 hour, right? 1 hour zone, okay? Simple, guys, 1 hour zone, keep it simple. I'll have a 1 hour zone right there. And then I'll have a 1 hour zone right here. And see, y'all want to be so technical and have all this crazy crap on y'all stuff, and y'all not looking at like, oh snap, like, oh, okay, this could be easy, right? You're just thinking about how hard it can be. But anyways, right? So now I will come start. I have my from this point to this point right here. And I have this line up. Then I'm gonna have go to settings, same technique on each time frame, guys. you know, breaking it down to you guys like that, right? So now 1 hour trend, boom. You know what I'm saying? So then boom, now I'm gonna have, boom, I got my, I got resistance. And then, why I ain't saying this right? Okay, go to settings. Then we got to save as. Then we got 1 hour zone. Okay. Right. And remember, guys, use these techniques as training wheels. When your eyes start seeing them, you don't need them. But you're just using it as a help me. You know, it's a help me. So we go 1 hour zone. Boom. Same thing, right? I'm waiting on this price gain support above here. I'm gonna buy up to this zone, could be consolidation. Or I'm gonna see if it break here, then I may buy up to that zone, the next zone, right? I'll put another zone, the next zone, right? Whatever, right? But then if it fall below here, I'm gonna be looking for sales to this zone, right? Then we're gonna look for like this zone, then the next zone, then the next zone, right? So like I'm just trying to make this simple as possible for you guys, right? So boom, 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 bounces, a couple bounces, you see some, and you know, big old engulfing or something crazy pop up. Right now you see indecision, you see, okay, in the 1 hour, boom, price then pushed all the way rejected, right? Indecision lower than now. So, you know, you're just looking, waiting, and, you know, you got a nice setup, you can make a couple dollars, okay? Simple technique, man, the easiest simple technique that you can break down. All right, we're gonna go to the lower time frame. I don't go lower than this, some, you know, personally, but you can keep going lower and lower and use the same technique so that you understand it. So we got the 15-minute. I don't know what color I'm gonna turn this one, but you can see I'm gonna have my resistance up here in settings. Let's see what color we want to turn it. Let's say purple. Okay, I'm gonna turn it purple. Boom. So now we got 15-minute. So I'm gonna go to save as. Oh, wait. I'll put the text in there. Say 15-minute zone. You feel me? Oh yeah, wait. At the bottom, right hand side, you got a file. Save as 15-minute zone. Okay. And then this is what I would do. Feel me? And just let me know, man, in the comments, like if this worked out for you and this helped your time frame, right? I mean, this helped your trading, right? Let me know. All right. So now you know you got this. Boom. Okay. Y'all know, man. I'm always show love, man. Just for you showing love, watching my video, I'm gonna always get love back. You feel me? Okay. So now you do the same thing. Okay. Wait. Then we go here. We go settings. There you go. 15-minute zone. Okay. And then we see this little baby, but we got some hits. We make our trend. We go settings. We're gonna turn this bad boy purple. I like that too. That's a nice color, man. So 15-minute trend. Ooh, that rhyme, my friend. It's like, no, let me stop it. But oh snaps, did I even do it? Oh, there we go. Right here we go, purple. Turn that bad boy purple. Then go to save as 15-minute trend. Okay, so now we got that, and then so the same thing, you know what I'm saying? We see a bounce off here, we're gonna keep continuing to push to the upside, right? But we don't, we close under here somewhere, we're gonna try to take it down to the downside, to this zone, then maybe to this zone, you know, then maybe to this zone, I mean, with the wicks, then maybe the next zone with the wicks. And, you know, you keep targeting, either going up or down, okay? You know, I can use some live examples. Okay, so if you're going to the upside, you're just waiting on price to get to the zone. Once you clear one zone, then you target the next zone. All right. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick examples on how I would do it. on how I was zoning it out using this technique. So, boom, I'm targeting to the up or to the downside. I'm gonna show you an example. Okay, so what we'll do is and then so for a short position, I will have my stops above that zone. So the trade will have to be worth it to me, of course, and I'll be targeting either this position or this position here. Same thing on the higher time frame, right? You do the same thing. So you're gonna be targeting either here or here for the down position, or you're gonna go say, hey, you know what? All right, I'm gonna go for the buy because something showed me in the market. I want to go for the buy, and then that's how you be the king of your stops. Put your stops back behind this zone, and then you're gonna target this zone or this zone. And then you in the end zone, man. Y'all can say I ain't never gave y'all nothing, man. So, SMSFXmentors.com, SMSFXmentor.store, right? And then you can go over there and purchase anything off of there. Be in the signal group. I'm gonna give y'all signals, good signals. I'm telling you, you're gonna be running up a bag, happy. As long as everybody happy and we eating good, we're gonna eat good for Christmas. Get your kids some nice things. I'm gonna be calling everybody to make sure their kid got some nice stuff. No, I'm just joking, but yeah, we're gonna run up a bag all December. We're gonna run up a bag. And I'm gonna put y'all hip on some stocks and stuff like that too. Coming soon though. Video coming soon. So y'all stay in tune. Get this one to 100. Y'all got the last one to 100. I was waiting on it to get to 100. Then I was gonna drop a new video. So y'all got it to 100. You know what I'm saying? Thanks. Because I know we switched the content. We was getting better content with the pranks and stuff like, a better response with pranks and stuff like that. But this is going to teach you how to build generational growth and wealth and help you and start helping your families out, and helping yourself out, getting out of these ruts and not having to, do the crazy things or scam or do something crazy, you feel me? Or, fill out for the wrong grants and stuff like that. We're not trying to do that type of thing here, you feel me? So SMSFXmentors.com. I'm telling you guys, this can change your life, right? You can be making money starting now. So start using this. And we can go below here, but other than anything below here is scalping. So you can go do all of that, yourself, right? Go down, make another color, make it yellow, make it right, whatever colors you want, make it those colors. And grind, guys, like grind. The bag is out here. Go get the bag, go run it up, right? Like real talk, go run up the bag. Go run up a bag, right? New technique right here. Go show the world. Go tell people like, hey, look, use this technique, right? Let's get it. SMSFX mentors, gang, 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 gang. See you on the other side.